Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to turn off caps lock notification in Windows. I show you guys how to do it. First up, you just need to delete HP and Dell apps because these apps can cause problem. To do this, go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select uninstall a program. If you installed Dell Peripheral Manager, then you just need to select it and select uninstall it, guys. Select uninstall. This app can cause this problem, guys. After getting completed, select close. If you installed HP System Event Utility, then you just need to select it and select uninstall, guys. Select yes. Select yes. This app also can cause the problem, guys. After uninstalling both app, you just need to close stuff here. And the second step, you just need to close mouse and keyboard apps. These apps can cause this problem. To close this app, you just need to go to search menu and type a task manager. Click on open it. In here, you just need to search for the app Razer Snipes, Logitech G Hub, and Acer Quick Access, etc. You just need to search for those apps and you just need to end task it, guys. After end tasking it, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this video helped you, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.